nyumba itu nenje muri andu arathime no jitikiriai mahinda maya njuke ndimukaribishe thiini wa channel ino itu ya Safeguarding Watoto Family Around the World. Njuge muri andu arathime na Ngai ni amuhete favor, ni amwendete ona ni aramwiciria na ni aramwika maundu mega. Muthenya mumwe tutiri na maundu maingi turenda guka kwaria, no ndirenda guka kumucokeria ngatho ni tondu agukorwo hamwe na ithuĩ kumagia kiambiriria uhoro uyu wigie kumenyerera, kurora na guthaitira ciana thiini wa uhoro wa safeguarding kana uria twitaga uhoro wa kurora ciana. Amukirai ngatho ni tondu agukorwo ni mutuhotithitie gukinyia 5k milestone thiini wa subscribers, na undu tutirawoya lightly. Turenda guka gucokia ngatho cia mwanya specifically kuri we our subscriber, kuri we mundu uria viewaga, kuri we mundu uria shareaga, kuri we mundu commentaga. Please, from the bottom of our hearts, Safeguarding Watoto channel turenda gugucokeria ngatho. Thank you muno. Ngai akurathime, akuhingurire mirango na makiria maundu maku mothe magacire, ciana ciaku cimenyererwo ni Ngai. Ona tugicimenyagirira Ngai acihe favor na eherie mihingica na mitino ĩrĩa yothe irehagwo ni ngoma. Maundu maria mothe ngoma thugundaga na ageragia kurehe thiini wa miturire ya ciana cia Ngai, macio mothe ni twamananga thiini wa itura Jesu Kristo. We ni tondu ni safeguardaga ciana, tondu ni uhoyagira ciana, tondu ni wendagira ciana maundu mega, wi murathime. Ciana ciaku ni ndathime, mutumia waku ni murathime, muthuri waku ni murathime, family yanyu ni ndathime, ona arata aku ni arathime. Ndathikiriria, ona thu ciaku riu ni ndathime, tondu tingihota gukuona. Haya, ikawa kiuga atia ofitha wa ciana. Yes, ndagona ona thu yaku no ikurathimu. Thu ciaku cikirathimwo ri cigwika uguo guthumbura niki? All right, asanteni sana for 5k. The next milestone is 10,000. Na tutirari uhoro wa subscribers just for the sake. Tondu ino ni families turariria. Twaragiria families mamenye ciana no muhaka cirorwo. Nigetha gutigakorwo kwina twana tunini turanyarirwo, turanyitwo, turaganio. Gutigakorwo kwina tuhi tunini turaganio, turanyitwo, turahurwo. Gutigakorwo kwina mwana uraneglectwo. Gutigakorwo kwina mwana uragerera maundu maritu na ringi na needs kana na mathina ma mwiri kana ni murwaru. Gutigakorwo kwina mwana ino ni gukura kwa ni tondu ni wa kuhinja, tondu ndariaga irio kana kuhana atia, kana kwina mwana uikaraga waneirwo mama wega guka we tata we na riu mwana ucio ndaigagwo wega. Maundu ma mothe ni motwaragiriria na ni moturwagira. Gutigakorwo kwina andu mena DV tumitaga domestic violence, iria ingituma ciana ciambirie gukura cina maundu ma kunyaririka, ma kugirika, maundu ma kugia na trauma. Maundu mothe ma mami na baba gukoragwo ni kwina haro thiini wa mucii kana thiini wa kihiko kana thiini wa relationship. Maundu macio mothe ni motwaragiriria kubundithia andu uhoro wa maundu maria thirikari iteithagia ciana. Mwana agirire gukorwo hana cia cukuru itura-ini hana atia, aracera nao enako, aroretwo ku, ni uramenya kuria. Maundu ma mothe ni motwaragia moria ciana ireragwo. Mwana kumenda aheanwo ni Ngai atuika ni akonceive uria reragwo kuma guciarwo kuneneha nginya agimare atuike mundu mugima. Ciana kuhikithio tene. Maundu ma mothe ni motwaragiria. Safeguarding Watoto, safeguarding ri ni guthaitira na kumenyera ciana nigetha mwana waku kana wa tata we kana wa neighbor kana wa village iyo wikaraga na irio yaku wikaraga ya muthaiga na Lavington na kuria kungi, Ngai akumenyerera na akuhe favor nigetha ciana ciaku cirorwo na gutigakorwo kwina muikinai ungiuka gwaria gukunyaririra mwana kana ciana iria uwe, whether ni waku kana wa arata kana wa family yaku kana wa neighbors. Macio ni maundu maria twaragiriria. Ngai amurathime na mwike wega. Please subscribe or go to subscribe thiini wa channel ino itu nigetha riria turikorwo tukiaria maundu maya tafadhali ugakorwo ni ukumenyithio. Utigaga kengere kau gaku hau getagwo notification bell na githungu, ugatigia kio ni ukahihinya nigetha uweke kapa kare nigetha mahinda maria turutaga video tano riu twaraniria haha ugakorwo ni uramenyithio Safeguarding Watoto ni mararehe thiini wa video. Twikoragwo na maundu matatu thiini wa channel ino ya Safeguarding Watoto. Twi maundu macio ma gu safeguard mothe tumetaka safeguarding aspect makora ciana undu ri ugitwikaga ni tuhoyagira ciana ciothe ni tuhoyagira ciana kwena maundu iragerera maritu muno mahinda maya ma covid kwena ciana iratigwo aciari marahuruka God forbid wewe mugitire magatigwo me orphans kana mae ciana cia ndigwa ciana icio ni tucihoyagira mirimu maundu ma macukuru afya gukora wega ciana iria ranyarirwo maundu mothe ma ciana ni tuhoyagira ona ciana gukorwo ikihituka kigeranio uria igukura uria ireciria kuhoera ciana thiini wa makanitha na kina matura na mavillage maundu macio mothe twikaga nigetha ciana cikore ci thiini wa wega-ina wa Ngai ona gucibundithia maundu ma Ngai ni tuhoyagira. Undu wa gatatu uria safeguarding channel ikaga ni ati ni tu koragwo na safeguarding community. Safeguarding community ri niho turehaga talent cia ciana tondu na tukihoyagira ciana ona tugisafeguardaga ciana maundu mamwe marehagwo ni gukorwo tondu mwana ucio ndari na undu areka ni idol ena kipawa no gitirarutithio wira mwana ucio no agure mubira no ndaheagwo opportunity ya kugura mubira mwana ucio no engere no ndaguragirwo kiratu gya kwengera no athi cross country mwana ucio no aine no ndaheagwo opportunity ya kuina mwana ucio no ahote gucora mwana ucio no athondeke kindu na moko make maundu macio mothe metagwo gift and talent na gift and talent ici heanagwo ni Ngai nicio tukoragwo nayo section hiyo ya gift and talent gucinacha na kwira aciari manache gift na talent ya ciana to mwako tinde gutindika mwana ati mwana akorwo ati nda twike ndagitari kana pilot kana twarithagie SGR no to mwaka mwana akorwo ati ni athi guthoma twike ruya no kwina ciana ici Ngai acirathimite na talent ya kuhura mubira kwina ungi urathimitwo na talent ya kuina kwina urathimitwo na talent ya kuhunjia kwina urathimitwo na talent ya gutwika comedian guthekia andu kwina urathimitwo na talent ya gucora maundu ici ciothe ni talent na no mwaka tumenye mwana uri utarathimirwo kirathi guthi mabuku-ini ni atige gutinda agitindikiririo mabuku-ini oko ni arahota kwengera muciari ni amenye uria mwana ucio kwambiriria kumuteithia na mutware kiwanja gya kwengera na muonanie na atwaro kuria Patrick Aiten kuria kwengagirwo kuna ni andu ayagi engerere ku nginya nigetha acoke athie nginya nathi cia nja kwengera Kaisami Wanjiru atarariho mahinda marariho na arengera muno nginya arathie kuria Japan arahotana ki na agakoragwo ni arayirwo na ndege kuma Kenya oke na guku thi cia nja nigetha oke engere Sami Wanjiru the late riu ri ciana ni tige kuringiririo kirathio ngoro mundu na ndirego ciana itigathi cukuru no mwaka mwana athi cukuru ona githia guthaka kana kuina kana gwikata basic knowledge ni very important no mwana ni atige gucito no mwaka athi university okoro Ngai ndamuhete that knowledge ya guthie gutwika lawyer kana ndagitari no Ngai ni amuhete talent yegi agika let us nurture that talent nigetha mwana atige ku waste time tondu wagagia kumutindikiriria twike lawyer athie ekerwo ya miaka 3 akarikia na ndangihota gwika ru ndangihota ku argue case rigi mwana ucio ni agiinite nyimbo ta mikanda 10 na agathondeka mbeca ciake Ngai witu murathime na mwike wega nitwacokia ngatho wacha tuongeleshe wale watu ambaye wako ni Waswahili Safeguarding Watoto channel. Tunataka kuja kushukuru kwa sababu ya vile mmekuwa pamoja nasi. Tunashukuru kwa sababu ya kufika 5K milestone katika subscription ya Safeguarding Watoto. Kazi yetu ni kuhakikisha watoto wamelindwa, wameangaliwa vizuri na wamelelewa katika njia ambazo ni sawa sawa, njia ambazo watoto hawanyanyaswi, hawalelewi kwa njia ambazo hazifai na wanaangaliwa vizuri katika njia zote. Safeguarding Watoto tuna njia 3 ambazo tunafanyanga kazi pamoja na. Kuna hii ya kusafeguard watoto, kuna ya pili ambayo tunaangalia talanta zile ambazo Mungu amepatia watoto. Kama mtoto anaweza cheza mpira, anaweza kuimba, anaweza kudance, anaweza kuwa comedian, anaweza kuchora, una support your talent. Sio lazima aende akasome ya kuwa lawyer. Kama Mungu hajambariki na kazi ya kuwa lawyer, wacha kushinda ukisukuma mtoto too much. Angalia mtoto Mungu amembariki na talent na gift gani. Kukuza hiyo talent na ili Mungu akaenda kumfungulia njia katika njia hizo. The third part ni ya kwamba uanga tunaombea watoto kwa kila njia, kama ni kwa afya, kama ni kwa mambo ya shuleni, kama ni kwa mambo ya community, tunaombea kama ni wagonjwa, tunawaombea wakue vizuri, tunaombea wapate neema, tunaombea katika mashule, tunaombea katika kila sekta. Na hatuombei tu watoto wa kijiji kimoja, tunaombea Kenya, Tanzania, Uganda, nchi nzima. So kama uko na maombi ambayo unaweza taka tukusaidie kuomba pamoja, unatupatia, unatuandikia, unatuemailia ili tunayaweka maombi pamoja wakati unaomba. So those are the 3 areas ambazo huwa tunaangalia: safeguarding, kukuza talanta za watoto na kuombea watoto. Asanteni sana. The next milestone ni 10K. Tunashukuru kwa sababu sana sio mambo ya subscribers. Tunataka kuhakikisha kwamba tunaweza kupata 10,000 families, 10,000 individuals wale ambao wanaweza kuja katika familia yetu ya kusafeguard watoto. That is our focus and our vision. Asanteni sana. Tunashukuru sana. We want to thank you. Let me speak in English. We want to thank you, our viewers and our subscribers, for hitting 5K milestone. We want to thank God because of you. We know it's not been easy, but thank you so very much for having stayed with us. Thank you, because our job is just like we usually do. It is to safeguard children, to ensure that they do not go through any harm. They don't suffer any sort of harm whatsoever. You know, we ensure that they are protected and they are safe, so that they grow to be, you know, individuals that can be responsible in their given societies or communities. You know, of course, safeguarding comes in 3 dimensions. We safeguard children. Beyond that, we also promote and nurture gifts and talent for children. The gifts that God has deposited in children, we ensure we nurture them. That's the other segment of it. So we just don't necessarily push children to go to school. If you're not, God has not blessed you to become a lawyer or a scientist or, you know, a teacher or, you know, mathematician. You don't have to be in university doing that. You could be a singer. You could be, you know, a footballer. You could be the next Bolt. So, you know, you could be the next, Kemboy or Mo Farah, you know. So we nurture and we ask families to understand that, you know, it's just not about academic, right? It's about the gifts and the talents that God has deposited in your children. So you need to identify them and you need to promote them, nurture them, and help that child grow and become that individual God designed them to be. The third aspect of Safeguarding Watoto Channel is, of course, that we pray for children and young people around the world, and we pray for different needs, including needs that are for whether spiritual or physical, whether they are lack, whether it is it's sickness, whether it is growth and development, whether it is needs for school, for knowledge, for revelation, whether it is for security. We pray for all these needs. We pray for children so that God can bless them, so that they can grow up to become responsible individuals in the society. All right. So this is what Safeguarding Watoto Channel does. So we want to thank you this far for the 5K subscribers. Indeed, it has been God that has made that come to pass. But our vision and our target is 10K, because when we have 10K families, 10K individuals, 10K safeguarding officers around the world, that will be another milestone that children will have attained for security purposes, for being safeguarded. So thank you very much. I pray that you share this message. Please, if you have not subscribed to our channel, we would like to invite you and welcome you to subscribe to our channel, and God is going to bless you. Share this message with somebody, a friend or a family. Let them know that this channel is here for children and we are making a difference. The idea is to make a difference. All right? God bless you so much. Asanteni sana. Naomba tafadhali, kama huja subscribe katika Safeguarding Watoto ukaenda kusubscribe, tunaomba ukasubscribe. Tafadhali sambaza hii message, pia tia comment yako pale ukasema vile unaona, na Mungu ataenda kukubariki. Nyumba itu muri andu arathime. Please ongekorwo du subscribe ite thiini wa channel ino itu, reke tukurie tafadhali. Ngai akurathime ugithie gu subscribe. Please subscribe nigetha mahinda maria turiaragia maundu ta maya ugakoragwo wa mbere kumenyithio. Nitwacokia ngatho. Please share message ino ono comment nigetha uge uri urona, na Ngai ni gukurathima. Last but not least, please know that we do listen what you say. Sana sana tunasikiliza sana vile unasema. We look, we listen to all comments, to your suggestions, so that we can become better. Okay? So if you have anything that you would like Safeguarding Watoto Channel to highlight, to share or to show, or even to spotlight, please, you can email us on safeguardingwatoto@gmail.com. We are on Facebook, Safeguarding Watoto. Of course, we are here on YouTube. We are also on TikTok. So we also have a telephone line. If you need to talk to us through WhatsApp or direct, you can SMS us, or you can put a message and request for our numbers, and we will be able to do that. Let it be known, let it be told, that safeguarding children and young people must be everyone's responsibility. Until we see you on the next video, I'm Jeff from Safeguarding Watoto.